Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe for you. Deliciously sticky teriyaki chicken wings. Let's get started. First, grab a bowl and combine soy sauce, mirin, brown sugar, ginger, and garlic. Whisk it all together until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now, take some chicken wings and place them in a large Ziploc bag. Pour the teriyaki marinade over the wings, making sure they are coated evenly. Seal the bag and let them marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. The longer, the better. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the marinated wings on it, reserving the marinade for later. Bake the wings for 25 to 30 minutes, turning them halfway through to ensure they cook evenly. They should be golden brown and crispy when they're ready. While the wings are baking, pour the reserved marinade into a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat and let it simmer until it thickens slightly. Once the wings are cooked, remove them from the oven and brush them generously with a thickened teriyaki sauce. Make sure every delicious wing is coated. Garnish the wings with sesame seeds and sliced red onions for an extra burst of flavor. They add a touch of freshness too. And there you have it, our deliciously sticky teriyaki chicken wings. They are the perfect blend of sweet and savory, with a sticky glaze that will leave you wanting more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.